Yes, my people, welcome back. Welcome to Yardman TV News and Entertainment. Yeah, man. And today we are talking about top 10. Yeah, man. Top 10 of 2025. We're going in a dancehall to 2025. That is my pick. Yes. Maybe you have a different pick. Yes. And if you have a pick, you can always comment and let me know your pick. So, you're going to kick it off. Yes. Not even I tell you how it's going. It's a surprise. So you won't can know my pick. If I tell you now, boom. Say 1, 2, 3. You don't have to bother watching. You just watch it and enjoy it. With Vibes Cartel. Yes. Sizzla Kalanji. All of them have a nice moment. So, look up on yourself, my people. Welcome to number 1. Boom.
That's a wonder. Ready? It's alive. Yeah, it's alive. Look, 13 years of prison and come out as a general. Turn it up.
Hey, this is Buju Banton doing it for the culture, supporting Vibes Cartel here in Brooklyn tonight. Let's get it right.
Done. Mentor. Legend. That's me, sir.
You're welcome.
Yes, for sure. Respect.
We have some running at the park. Fuck that.
Yes. One Buju Banton, my favorite DJ ever of all time. Him inspired me.
Scatter!
Yes, the boss.
You're not coming back to church?
Yes. Fully active. Mark Myrie.
Yes.
G this.
Anisha Palmer. You
Yes.
don't know.
Yes.
This for the culture.
This for the
Greatness of the
culture.
music.
Yes,
See?
yes,
Bigger than all of it. So watch out. Unity from four corner, east, west, north, and south. Love it. Yes,
Yes, yes, General. Thanks.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. Yeah, you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top.
Yo! I mean, there.
Oh,
Ready.
okay.
To them. I'm son. Wanna know about reunite? What you mean? Wanna know about reunite? Wanna know about Black Rhino? See that? Remember that?
Can't change and it will never
Never.
change. The man that bring me to the world.
And what you ever deal with?
Never, that is it.
And what you
Can't
ever deal with Brooklyn? Jesus Christ. Them ready?
change. There, my general.
Them ready?
There, my general.
They don't ready. Active one rider. We out.
We have to make them know we're taking them in the history. No, everyone take this one. We're taking them in one of the greatest dogs Sizzla ever do. No, one of the greatest. This is.
You good? Thank you, man. Enough love and respect, Drake. Enough love and respect. Yeah, man.
Now, last night looked crazy. Tonight's night too, right?
Yeah, tonight's night too, so I'm here already, so. One of your engineers, I saw him, he was like, yo, Drake, ready? I'm like, tell Drake I'm ready here. Get it? Ready here. Yeah.
Yo, best of luck tonight.
Yo, okay.
That's just so you know, it's family forever.
I know that, man. I know that, man. Respect, Drake. Respect.
Respect to you and everybody there. Trust
You know now?
me.
Had the hand delivered.
Yeah, it was hand delivered. Yeah. That's cool, I'm a G, man. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, you know.
Yes, sir. Have a great show tonight. Show the face.
Thank you, man. Of you. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Woof, woof, woof. You see it now?
Yo, let me my cologne. Yo, pull my cologne, man. Pull my cologne. Pull my cologne. Oh, good weather with the Yo, what's yellow and blue? What's Gucci cologne? Yo, what I do about image?
Image is everything.
First is nothing, we've been around them. Good. What's blue and yellow?
Yo, the man smell like a buckle of perfume.
Oh, man, stop blowing, man.
Yeah.
So, man, dog, hold this there. Good. The queen is here. The queen is here.
Where's that, baby?
The queen is here.
Selassie,
Mama, long time. Yo, what's with that? No one them about image, man. Tell you no. Yo, big up my crew, you know. Big up the crew. Big up the crew. Big up the crew. Big up the crew. Mama, you look so good, man. No spice, but you now look so good. Jesus Christ, man. Noah. Yeah, the queen is here. Run the man. Run the.
London. Remember that. I did it step. One done and I said London. I'm in New York.
Any other than
Remember that. And donkey.
Outside people, what they are, me and Joe this day, that's right now. Joe back there.
Big up New York.
Yeah, man, big up New York, man. You see me? Gaza forever, you know, people see there.
Yes.
Them things that joke talk, Portmore, you know, man. Big up yourself, you know, Portmore. All the time, man. You see me?
Okay.
But we're there in Brooklyn with it right now. You see it? I will come back up on Joe right that's a famous man, Joe.
Yeah.
You see me, Joe? Joe, where we there next couple months?
Are you going to be at Sumfest?
So, yes, brother.
Yeah.
So wife here, what is it?
Okay.
She love them stuff there, you know what I mean?
July, yeah.
All right, Father.
Keep
Bless
an
it.
eye- keep an
And,
eye
can,
on-
and continue do the good work with Vice Cartel.
Yeah.
But guess what happened now? It's the last night. Last night proved which they got Vice Cartel car. Yesterday night he losing voice. I never see somebody losing voice and come back the next night and the voice. So
No, he was well.
yeah, so that's what I say in my head. I say God got the man. Guess what happened? Nobody losing voice and get back the voice the next year. So God has show this man. Say guess what? Do your work.
Well, you know, he's blessed now. He
Yes,
paid
brother.
a lot of dues to get there, and he's a changed person.
All right, my dad.
He's not
Blessings.
he's not going back.
Yeah, man. Blessings, man. Love Gaza. All right, Father.
Yes, my people. Look up in yourself. You don't know how to love it. You don't know how to love it. That might pick that. Yes. Top 10 moment, you know. So big up on yourself, my people. And if you're the top 10, and I can always come out and show me if you're in the top 10. Tell me what I want if you're in the top 10. And tell me what I think about my top 10. Yeah, man. I'm not afraid. I'm not biased. Because when I say, no matter what I say, I'm not vexed. Yes. Leave it. Yes, my people. So big up on yourself. Yeah, man. Check out Yardman TV News and Entertainment. Yeah, man. And big up to all the viewers and all the subscribers. Yeah, man. All who not subscribe yet. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Always. You know? One love. Overall. Boom. Out of here. I'm out.